What's the meaning of arthritic? Arthritic. Arthritic.
Arthritic. Arthritic. Arthritic refers to a medical condition that affects the joints and causes pain, swelling, stiffness, and limited mobility. It can be caused by various factors such as age, genetics, injury, or autoimmune disorders. Arthritis is a chronic condition that can worsen over time and have a significant impact on a person's quality of life. Treatment may include medication, physical therapy, exercise, and lifestyle changes. While there is no cure for arthritis, managing symptoms can help improve daily functioning and prevent further joint damage.